Morning, ma'am.
Morning, team.
Morning, ma'am.
We're expecting a full occupancy today. Please follow our chicken SOP carefully.
Yes, Mom. Limpioso and Manzano, double check all arrivals in the system.
Sure, sir. I will check all VIPs and group bookings. I'll prepare the cards and registration forms.
Monreal, please check all arrivals from yesterday.
Yes, sir. I'll update the room inventory and note any special requests.
Perfect. Remember, teamwork and communication are critical. Let's go.
Boy, welcome to Sunrise Hotel.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Sunrise Hotel. May I have your booking details, ma'am? I have booking under Nurture and Mental Business Traveler tonight. Thank you, ma'am. Please wait. I will just check your reservation. Yes, ma'am. Found your reservation. Please wait for 1 moment. Hello, Ms. Camila. Welcome. You booked a family suite for 2 nights, right? Yes, that's right. Sir, can you come here? Sir, there's an issue. The system shows that both Evangelio and Ms. Camila assigned to room 405.
Let me check. Oh no! It looks like an overbooking. One suite was sold twice.
Excuse me, what does that mean?
I'm very sorry, Mom. It seems there's a technical issue with the reservation system. Please give us a few minutes to fix this. Monreal, can you check if we have any room cancellation today?
Checking now. Yes, 1 deluxe room just got cancelled, sir.
Perfect! Let's offer that to 1 guest and upgrade them with complimentary breakfast.
What's happening here?
We had an overbooking in room 405. We're offering 1 guest and upgrade them with free breakfast.
Good decision. Always remember to communicate clearly and stay calm.
Excuse me, Mom. We sincerely apologize for the inconvenience. We have arranged a complimentary deluxe for the room. We upgraded for free breakfast for your stay.
That's very kind. Thank you for resolving it quickly. Appreciate your honest and help.
Thank you for your understanding. Mr. Howe and Mr. Mansha will assist you.
Right, Mom? This way, please. Okay, Mom, this way, please.
Check the system log tonight and correct the inventory numbers. I'll review the reservation forecast and block rooms properly next time.
Let's also update our overbooking SOP and use manual overbooking before our busy weekdays.
This is a good example of using forecasting and quality control to avoid future errors.
Learn how important it is to stay calm when facing guest complaints.
Teamwork helps solve problem fast.
We followed the SOP, communicated clearly, and maintained the customer satisfaction.
Good job, everyone. Efficiency improves when we plan ahead and double check our systems. Remember, service recovery is part of quality control.